风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是美佳。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。这个月我们教一些时间的单位哈，但有一个东西叫届，第一届、第二届。
对，我是第5届。
你是第5届的什么？
学姐啊，就是好搞学校里面。
是哦 Okay. In the language of Hakka and Mandarin Chinese, there's something called session. Like if it's the first annual, second annual session of a certain event or a graduation class, they use the word 届. How do you say that?
届。
Okay, that's a session or an annual event. 他们是新学校的第一届学生 for instance. That line means they are the first graduating class of this new school.
佢哋係新學校。
佢哋係新學校。
第一屆。
第一屆。
嘅學生誒。
嘅學生誒。學生就是學生嘛，第一屆就是第一屆。
對。
That's the first graduating class. So now you know how to say that. Or for instance, the 6隊 Games are happening, and it's the 60th year now. 6隊運動會已經第60屆了。
6隊運動會。
6隊運動會。
幾件攀咧？
幾件攀咧？
有60屆咧。
有60屆咧，60年了，
很厲害。
60屆 ，Yeah. So that's the 6隊 Games or the sporting games in its 60th annual session now. Okay, 届 again is that word. So let's review these phrases again, including like a school 学校
學校
學校 and the student 學生
學生
學生 because they have different annual graduation classes and each year it's called a 屆 And there you have it, learning about the units in Hakka that might be useful. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.